How to install the flooding manager. It is very important that the surface is level and even. The better the profile fits, the better the seal. Step 1. Fit the bottom strip. It must connect exactly to the vertical profiles, which must be square and level. Make sure the surface is clean. Step 2. Now fit the vertical side profiles. Note that they must be perpendicular to the bottom profile. Secure these with glue clamps, for example. Note that the vertical side profiles should not be sawed. Step 3. Drill the holes in the sidewalls and floor strip. The holes in the profile are also immediately the drilling sizes for the frame. Pay attention to what is left and right. When the holes are drilled, put in the dowels or wood screws. It is imperative that all seams fit together well. To be sure, put a sealant edge on the back of the profiles before you screw them on. Once the profiles are screwed in place, go to Step 4. Step 4. Size the frame and ceiling plate. Once it is sized, you can lower the panel into it. Now screw the threaded knobs into the inserts. When tightening, press the panel into its profiles. The flooding manager is ready. Important: installing the frame involves the most work, but only needs to be done once, so do it carefully. The floor strip may be sawed. This is easily done with a jigsaw using a metal blade. Tools tip: use a spirit level and glue clamps. And don't forget to rinse the flooding manager well before putting it away. All's well that ends well. www.floodingmanager.com